Hi, and welcome back to the Agent Renovation Podcast. My name is Ashley, and I'm an award-winning realtor in Vancouver at Angel Hasman & Associates, a gamification and goal-setting expert, a master visionary, a strategic planning coach, and a seven-figure entrepreneur. I love teaching real estate agents how to win and pass the levels of the real estate game. I will teach you the strategies and the considerations for setting up your game, maintaining your game, and conquering new ground. Let me guide you in crossing the finish line of your real estate goals, putting dollars in your pocket, and teaching you how to have the personal life of your dreams. In today's episode, we will be talking about participants and spectators in the game of real estate. The largest pitfall if you want to play any game is to become a spectator instead of a participant. A participant is a person who takes part in or becomes involved in a particular activity. A spectator, on the other hand, is a person who watches at a show or other event. Okay? In your real estate game, you always want to be a participant, not a spectator. I'm sure you have heard the quote, "Build your dream or others will have you build theirs." This is a great explanation as to why you don't want to be a spectator and you want to be a participant in your real estate game. Do not get trapped in observing others around you, winning and not even getting on the field yourself. You can't be on the field and up in the bleachers at the same time. You want to always stay on the field. Always. The more awareness you have, the less you'll get sucked into any of this. The less you'll allow yourself to become a spectator. When you are busy watching others, you aren't making time for yourself to build your own game. It's easy to get stuck in the trap of spectating or consuming other people's wins through things like social media, Netflix, and so on. The problem is that it takes time out of your own game. Whenever you are merely watching other people win, you're taking away from your own wins, and that's a hard pill to swallow, but it's true. That's actually why social media and Netflix binging has the potential to leave you feeling so empty. Consuming it. By consuming it, you are feeding all of your energy to it instead of doing work on your own life, where the energy can lead to moves that can help you reach and win your own fulfillment. Watching others win also has the double pitfall of reminding you of the lack of your wins, and ultimately you will start playing the comparison game, which is a very, very dangerous game, and it will leave you feeling very empty. All around, watching others can deplete your energy and take away valuable time and energy that would be better applied to directly playing in your own game. Now, I'm not saying that social media or Netflix is evil. This doesn't mean I'm telling you not to interact with it either. I still use both, and social media may even be how you found me. I'm simply telling you like it is, so that you can see the factors at play and adjust your strategy to win. When you know what game you are playing in, we don't attempt to change the game because that's not possible. No, we adjust our strategy knowing how the game works in order to win. Consumption, specifically of media, is a factor in the game that can severely impact your ability to succeed in your own life. You must learn to manage it intelligently with a strategy that considers a time and energy cost-benefit analysis. You can learn more about time and energy cost-benefit analysis in the Agent Renovation Prospecting courses. Don't worry, I will help you navigate all of these choices. And here's a starter exercise to get you thinking. Now is the time to take your power back and ensure that you are always a participant in your real estate game. Exercise. Instructions. Reflect on where you are in your real estate life. Where have you been spectating instead of actively participating in your real estate game? Where have you been watching others win and not getting out there and actively pursuing these wins for yourself? This includes watching all those real estate shows we mentioned earlier and social media. Write down as many things that you can think of. How much time and energy do you spend on spectating versus participating? What could you be creating in your own life instead? What wins do you want for yourself that you haven't been actively pursuing? You can reflect and revisit this content in the coming weeks. As you spend time thinking about this, you will begin to notice patterns about and around where you are spending your time and energy. Ultimately, if you begin to think about it, you will see ways to improve your spending of time and energy. When you start applying the strategies and steps I teach, you're going to notice yourself move more and more from being a spectator to a participant. This has been Ashley from Agent Renovation, and if you loved this episode, take a screenshot, share it to social, and always tag me at Agent Renovation. Bye.